Hello traders, again welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to take trade on the basis of the candlestick analysis. It's EuroCAD and now we can see a momentum of sellers, so we can go to the sellers. I placed here a put option because now I am seeing a seller's momentum. So and here I got a good margin of safety also. Okay. Anyway, we can wait for the result. In GBP CAD, we can see a bias entry right now. And if we observe here, we can see some bullish entry. Here I don't know why it's not reject. Okay, finally it's reject, but it was small bullish. Here we can go to the buyers. Okay, I'm going to place here a call option, but okay, anyway I'm going to place a call option. I placed here a call option because it will make another bullish candle. You can see some strong buyers and because in the left side we can see some levels, so that's why here we can see now we can see some strong buyers entry. We can see some levels in the left side, but it should be bullish. At least for 1 minute we can expect a bullish candle there, and now we can see it's rejecting from that raw number. Here we can see a raw number. Now it's rejecting from that raw number, but it should be bullish, not bearish. Here it's GBP AUD. Here strong bearish entry, but I need a good entry. Anyway, we can wait for the right opportunity because now I'm doing the compounding trade. So if we make at least one loss while doing the compounding trade, I will lose my whole money. That's why I'm waiting for the right opportunity. Here we can see some level, and now I'm seeing a strong rejection, means here we can go to the buyers. I placed here a call option because in the left side we can see levels, and now we are seeing strong rejection in the present candle, means it's better to go to the buyers. It will reject after hitting this line. It will reject. You can see some rejections, but in this kind of area always try to place our trade with some margin of safety. It will be good in these kind of areas. Finally it's reject and I won the trade. Here again we can go to the buyers. Okay, I'm going to place a call option. I placed here a call option because after that red candle we are seeing a strong green candle, and also it made a new high, means it will again make another bullish candle. That's why I placed here a call option. It should be bullish, not bearish. It's a confirmed trade. Anyway, we can wait for the result. I think my entry is little bit. Oh, there is no profit, no rate, but we can go to the sellers. Okay, previously I got ATM means add the money because of my late entry, but the candle was green. If I have a good entry, it will be winning trade. But because of my entry, I got ATM here. There is no profit, there is no loss. But the next candle should be bearish because now I am seeing a very weak bullish candle. So it will act as a reversal candle here. That's why we can expect a bearish candle at least for 1 minute here. That's why I placed here a put option. And we can see some strong sellers entry. Okay, it was also winning trade. Now we can see some buyers are entering. Anyway, I don't take trade in the present candle. We can take trade from the next candle. So need to change the pair. Here we can go to the sellers. I placed here a put option. Oh, but I forgot to enter the full amount. Okay, no problem. I placed here a put option because of that doji. That doji indicates there is no sign of buyers here. That's why I placed here a put option. Here I don't know why buyers are entering, but I expect the candle to close as bearish. It may reject. Now we can see some rejection, and it should be bearish. Here. Okay, now it's closed as bearish. If it's possible, I take one trade if possible. Here the next one also should be bearish, but I need a good entry. Okay, it's rejecting. Here I'm going to place a put option again because that inverted hammer here indicate it will go more down. That's why I placed here put option. At least for 1 minute, we can again expect a seller's entry here. That's why I placed here a put option. And it should be my last trade. I don't trade more because today I think I took totally 7 trades, something like that. One was ATM, there is no profit and there is no loss. Because of my late entry, I got ATM there. But okay, anyway, we can wait for the result. Just 2 seconds. Okay, I won this trade and it was also winning trade. Today I start with $20 and I don't calculate my whole profit, but you just calculate if it's possible. And I have to tell you one thing that if you have confidence, you just try to do some compounding trades because the power of compounding is very, very high. Okay, you can make good amount from the binary if you use the compounding strategy. So we can see the result. Okay, today I took totally I think okay, it's totally 7 trades. One was ATM and the others are winning trade. It was ATM here we can see, and others are winning trade. So anyway, I don't trade more. It was my one of the previous lows, and I'm going to close this section. Thanks for watching my video. All of you, wish you good profit.